Hey guys, Josh here, Seton HVAC. A big heartfelt thank you for everybody that tuned into the live stream tonight. I really appreciate it. I was going to make this a short, but I'm gonna talk about more stuff. What's happening with the channel, upcoming. Lots of HVAC content. Okay, I got lots of big jobs coming up. Yeah, my hair's a little messy. Had the hat on. Hold on a sec. I'll be right back. I know everybody likes this one, the old Got Whiskey hat. You know, good for the live streams. Makes you look better, right? I would never do this, though. That's what millennials do. I don't do the backwards hat. But anyway, I appreciate everybody watching, and I plan on doing it every Wednesday at 6, every Saturday at 6. I'm going to work hard on this channel. I want more people to watch. It's not about getting big like old Ted Cook, you know, Mikey Pipe, Steve Lav. I'm sure there's others out there that I don't know about. All I'm going to say is go Seahawks tomorrow. Or tomorrow. You guys root for your team too. Whoever you want to win. But anyway, yeah, I've had a few drinks tonight, but that's been known to happen. But I really appreciate you guys watching, and I really love doing the live streams. I love chit-chatting with everybody throughout the country. You know, this is all new for me. Sorry guys, it just shows you how great and blessed my life is. My 4-year-old daughter just came in, so we had her pick up the dining room area, and I told her to give her $1 to do it. We put it in her piggy bank, but that's our life, and that you know, HVAC allows me to have this great life with my family. Allows us to go on our trips, take her to you know, the beach, and do all the stuff we get to do. And I'm just really happy about everything that we get to do, everything we get to do in life, what I can share with you as far as HVAC. It's just awesome. So I just want to send this quick video. It's going to be too long for a short. And I might break it up into a couple shorts too, because you know, some people just click on those shorts and they don't never look at actual videos, and they run across something maybe they missed, and then it draws them to my channel. So anyway, all that being said, I just want to say it again with my utmost gratitude for anybody that goes on my live streams, watches my videos, watches my shorts. I really appreciate it. It's a happy Saturday night. If you're a football watcher, I hope your team wins, as long as they're not playing my team. So if you're a Cardinals fan, sorry, we're winning tomorrow. But anyway, I appreciate it, guys, and God bless you, and I will see you on the next video.